What are you doing? The snow gets in your eyes, doesn't it? Let's see your snow angel. She says, I'm going to make a snow angel. And laid down, and it's snowing like crazy still, so. It's pretty. Let's see another one. You need goggles, huh? Oh no.
That's like a snowman.
Okay, well, I think Daddy's getting the sled out of the car. You want to go sledding?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold. Look what Daddy has. Can you get up the hill? You're in the garden.
It snowed on your garden.
Yeah, it did. You coming up?
I'm coming. There's hope for me.
It's cold.
Hey, school tracks.
Those are Daddy tracks.
Day tracks.
Your sled. Okay.